Today we are going to discuss formulae for compound interest. So first let amount is equal to A, principal be P, rate of interest be R% per annum and number of periods is equal to N. So the first is when interest compounded yearly or annually, so amount is equal to principal into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. Second, when interest compounded half yearly or semi-annually, so amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 by 100 to the power 2n because it is half yearly. So rate become R by 2 and number of conversion become 2n. Now third, when interest compounded quarterly, so amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 4. So rate of interest divided by 4 because it is quarterly by 100 to the power 4n. Number of conversion is equal to 4n. Now fourth, when the rates of interest for the successive years are R1%, R2%, R3% and so on, then amount is equal to P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100 and so on. And compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Let's see few questions from exercise 8.3. Question number first, third. Rupees 1 lakh for 9 months at 4% per annum compounded quarterly. Calculate the amount and compound interest. So first of all, principal is given 1 lakh, n is equal to 9 months. So 9 months first of all convert into year. So 9 by 12 here. Now this compounded quarterly. So n become 4n. So 4 into 9 by 12. After cancellation we have 3 times. 3 times. Now 4% per annum. So rate is equal to 4% per annum. So it is compounded quarterly. So R become R by 4. So 4 by 4. So we have 1% compounded quarterly. Now we can apply the formula. Amount is equal to principal 1 plus R by 4 divided by 100 to the power 4n. So principal is given 1 lakh. 1 plus R by 4 is given 1%. So 1 by 100 4n. So n is equal to 3 times. 3 times. Now 1 lakh (101 by 100 to the power cube, whole power cube). Now 1 lakh into 101 by 100 into 101 by 100 into 101 by 100. After calculation we have 1 lakh 30,000 3,030.10 rupees. Now this is the amount. First answer. Now second we have to find compound interest. So CI, compound interest, is equal to amount minus principal. So amount is equal to 1 lakh 3,030.10 minus 1 lakh. So we have compound interest 3,030.10. That is the compound interest. That is second answer. One more question. Question number 4. Kamla borrowed 26,400 rupees from a bank to buy a scooter at a rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years, 4 months to clear the loan? So first of all, we have to find amount at the end of 2 years, is equal to principal 26,400 rupees 1 plus R rate of interest 15% per annum compounded yearly, so 15 by 100 to the power 2. Now 26,400, after calculation we have 23 by 20 whole square. Now after calculation we have 34,914 rupees, that is the amount at the end of 2 years. Now principal for next 4 months is equal to 34,914 rupees. Now we have to find interest for next 4 months is equal to 34,914 into rate of interest 15%. So right here 15 into 4 months. So 4 months convert into years. So 4 by 12 by 100. Now after calculation we have 1745.70 rupees. This is the interest for next 4 months. Now amount at the end of 2 years and 4 months is amount at the end of 2 years, so 34,914 rupees plus 1,045.70 rupees. So after adding we have 36,659.70 rupees, that is answer. Let's see one more question. Question number 8. What sum of money will amount to 9,261 rupees in 3 years at 5% per annum compound interest? So first of all, let the sum of money be P rupees. Now amount is given 9,261 rupees, n is equal to 3 years, and rate of interest is given 5% per annum. So we can apply this formula. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Now amount is given 9,261. P is not given principal, so we assume P. 1 plus rate of interest 5%, so 5 by 100 to the power Q. Now 9,261 is equal to P. After calculation we have 21 by 20 to the power Q. Now 9,261 is equal to P into 21 by 20, 21 by 20, 21 by 20. Now P is equal to 9,261 is multiplied by 20 into 20 into 20 by 21 into 21 into 21. After calculation we have P is equal to 8,000, that is answer. Let's see one more question. Question number 7 from Check Your Progress. Find the amount and compound interest on 2,500 rupees in 2 years if the rates are 5% and 6% for the successive years. So first of all, here principal is equal to 2,500 rupees. Rates are given, So R1 is given 5% and R2 is given 6% for the successive years, and N is equal to 2 years. So we can apply the formula amount is equal to principal 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100. Now principal is given 2500 rupees. 1 plus R1 is given 5%, so 5 by 100, again multiply by 1 plus R2 is given 6%, so 6 by 100. Now 2500 into 21 by 20 after calculation, into, after calculation we have 1 plus 6 by 100, we have 53 by 50. Now we have 2782.50 rupees, that is the amount. Now we have to find compound interest. So compound interest is equal to amount 2782.50 minus 2500. Now we have compound interest, we have 282.50 rupees, that is answer. Thank you.